Hi everyone, hope all of you are doing well. My name is Srinivasan, physical therapist from Rehab Services. Everyone calls me as Ram in my clinic. I've been practicing physical therapy for 20 plus years, and I thank Vidya Satish Bhavish Arts 2-4 program for giving me this opportunity to talk about physical therapy. Physical therapy is provided for all ages of individuals who may or have developed impairments or activity limitations due to pain, weakness, or injury. I'm going to give you some tips on posture in everyday lifestyle activities like sitting, standing, walking, and of course sleeping. Let's talk about sitting. As you're sitting, have your back supported all the way back. Don't lean forward. Don't be sitting in a slouched position. If you're working with a laptop or a desktop, have it at the eye level. And at the same time, try to stand up once in 30 minutes. It helps to take the pressure off your eyes as well as your back and neck. And try to go to the bathroom or grab a cup of coffee or take a flight of stairs, which is going to help you to save your back. In terms of standing and walking, footwear is a key thing. Make sure to have a good footwear. I recommend changing the footwear 8 to 12 months based on the wear and tear of the footwear. Consult with your physical therapist if you do have any foot issues, so they can recommend orthotics or inserts, which helps you to alleviate the pain and reduce the discomfort. For sleeping, having a proper pillow and mattress is key. Based on everybody's posture, based on how your neck is or how your back is, a firm mattress might be a right thing for you, or a soft mattress might be the right thing for you because it helps you to maintain the posture of your neck. And if you do have any issues with the back, use a pillow between the legs and lie on your side. All too often I see patients hurting their back or neck watching YouTube video, doing workouts, HIIT workouts or yoga or gym without proper guidance. If you plan on doing the exercises for the first time, get a proper guidance, and at the same time, start with the warm-ups, exercise or a cardio, and wind up with the stretches. Last but not the least, invest to live healthy and happily. Thanks for watching.